Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. I hope you're all doing well. So guys, another game emulator is now officially available at the App Store and it is completely free, called RetroArch. As you can see it right here, you can simply open the App Store and search for it, and it is available to download. And you can see that the minimum iOS version required is iOS 14.2. Now guys, let's install it and see how we can use it, and we will wait for it to install. Alright guys, so as you can see, it is done and you can see it on my home screen. Let's open it and you can see that it looks like this. Now I will show you how to add files to it. So go to files and here you'll find your legally owned games files that you got. Now you will get them mostly in the .zip format. So what you will do is simply tap it and it will be extracted. Now you can simply go home and open RetroArch, and from there hit load content, hit open, then go to browse, go to downloads, you'll find the file here, hit it, and now the game. Now guys, in case that the file you got is not in .zip format, it is in another format, it will not be extracted by simply tapping it. What you can do is open App Store, then search for iZip. It is completely free and get it from here. You will see it on your home screen, as you can see it right here. Now open files, then simply press and hold on the file and then share to iZip, then hit OK. You will then see the file. Simply hit it and put a check mark, then hit share, then share it to save to files. Then you can simply save it to downloads, hit save, and you're good to go. As you can see, I got the file right here. Now you can simply open RetroArch, then hit load content as we did previously, hit open, and then hit this file to load it. Alright guys, that's all for this video. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.